In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install your Facebook pixels and Google pixels super fast and easy. Let's get into it. Hi there, what's going on? This is Irfan here and thanks for watching this video. In this video, I'm gonna share with you that how you can install your Facebook ads pixel and Google ads pixel super easy on your website. Because I don't know whether you're familiar with that or not. If you want to run a paid ad, you need to have your pixels installed on every single page of your website if you want to track that traffic and if you want to use them for retargeting. So I'm not going to get into the details right now that what pixel is, but in a nutshell, pixel is a piece of code that you need to get from Facebook or Google. I'm going to show you how you can do that, and then you install it on a specific page or on every single page of your website in order to track that traffic that you bring from Facebook or Google. So, but in this tutorial, I want to show you how you can do that on Facebook, not Google, because they are pretty much the same. If you want me to make another video specifically for Google, how to install pixel on your website, leave your comment below this video, let me know, and then in the next video I'm going to get into the details for Google. But in this tutorial I want to show you how you can do that on Facebook. So but before letting you know that how you can do that super easy, I want to show you how hard it is if you want to do it manually and do it yourself, because I never could do that. It was messy. I pasted the code in the wrong place. I tracked the wrong traffic. I retargeted the wrong people. Everything was messed up. And now I came across with a plugin a couple of days ago that actually helped me significantly for installing different pixels on my website from Google, from Facebook. It doesn't matter, it recognizes all of them. So I'm going to show you right now. But so let's get into my computer, and then the first thing I'm going to do is logging to my Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account. I go to my ad account right here. So this is my ad account, so business manager. So I have a full tutorial that how we can run a Facebook ad profitably. So if you're interested in learning more, click on the link below in the description, watch my workshop, and you will learn a lot of things out of it. And if you after that, if you be interested in learning more, you can go for my course, and I already covered every single step you need to know in order to run a profitable Facebook campaign. So don't forget to watch the free workshop and let me know what you think about it, because it's super important for me to know your opinion. And also, if it's your first time watching this video, and if it's your first time coming to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, give me a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell, so next time if I upload a video, you'll get notified. So I'm inside my business manager dashboard on Facebook, and then I go to business settings. So I go to business settings, and then what I do is going to data sources, and then I go to pixels, because I want to add a new pixel to show you how you can track them and how hard it is if you want to do it manually. So I go to data sources, I go to pixels, and then I add a new pixel right here. So for pixel name, it can be test, like video test, and then for the website I just leave it blank, continue, and I will have, so I'm gonna set up pixel now. I click on this. I have three options here. Add code using a partner integration. So if you click on that, it will bring up a lot of platforms like Shopify, WordPress, Kajabi, different platforms that you can install the pixels on, and it gives you a file to download. It's a plugin. I mean, it depends which platform you've chosen, and then you download that file, and then what you need to do is just copying that URL that is giving you, and then paste it to that plugin that you've downloaded. So I'm not going to get into the partner integration right now, because sometimes most of the times it's so laggy and it doesn't allow me to download the file. It just gives you a file. You install that file on your account, which is whether it's gonna be a WordPress account or Shopify, as I said, many different platforms. And then after that, you install the pixel code on that plugin that you already downloaded. And the third option is email instructions to a developer. If you have a developer, you can just let them know and they install it for you. But in this video, I'm gonna go to manually add pixel code to website. I click on this and then you will see such a page. So the first step is the most important step that you need to follow, is install base code on website. So copy and paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header section of your site, just above the head tag. Install the base code on every page of your website. So let's see how we can do that. So I click on this and then I copy it. I go to my website dashboard. This is my website dashboard, and the traditional way to install a pixel on your website is just going to your dashboard, scroll down, appearance, go to theme editor, and then you do it manually inside your website. And then once you click on theme editor, you scroll down again. As you I don't know whether you remember or not, it said that you need to paste this code into the bottom of the header section, just above this tag, which is / tag. So where can we find that head tag? So scroll down, go to appearance, theme editor, and then on the right side, as you can see, there is a header.php. Click on that header.php, and then you will see this page right here. So there are so many codes here, guys. Please keep in mind, you should not change a single word from these codes here, because it's gonna mess up with your website so bad, and sometimes you can't get it back. You cannot get back your website ever, and everything is already messed up. You lost so many things. Just don't change any word inside this code section. What you need to do is just going to header.php and then just find that head. So I just already found it. But this one is / head. So it means that the code is ended here. So it is started here from head, and / head, it means that it's ended here. So what we need to do, we need to paste that base code that we already copied exactly in the middle of head and / head. So between these two. So what I do is just I press enter here, and then I just paste that code right here, exactly in the middle of head, and / head is here. And then I already pasted my code. It starts from here, Facebook pixel code, and it ends here, and Facebook pixel code. And this is what it is. And then I have my / head exactly in the middle, because it said it needs to be into the bottom of the header section, just above the / head tag. And it's exactly above / head, in the middle of head and / head. So, and that's it. You update the file, and then the headaches will just start. Because after that, you need to go to this section, and then you need to enter the URL, and it will just set up the events for you. It's not a big deal. It's very easy. But what if you want to install like 20 pixels on your website? You don't have enough space to copy this code here 20 times and paste it here. It's not a one-time thing to do. For every single pixel that you want to add, you need to insert different base code on your website. So this base code here is not only for is only for this pixel that I'm adding right now. It's not for all of them. And that's why if you want to add a pixel every single time, you need to copy this code. I mean, it's going to be a different code, and then paste it, to the same location that I already pasted. And every single time you need to do that, it's too much headache, and we don't want that. So after that, so if it's your first time, it's your first pixel, it's totally fine. Just click on update file, and then you will be able to you will be able to send test traffic to that website to make sure that it's already there. and then you will be fine to install the events for yourself. So I'm going to show you how you can do that too. So because there's no activity yet, I need to confirm it first. I need to update file, and then I need to put my website URL here, send to test traffic. It'll be activated, and then I can set up my events. But it's not the thing that I want. So what I want to do is that I delete this code here right now. I want to delete it. I don't need it anymore. So, and then what I do, I go to plugins. I'm going to add a new plugin. This plugin changed my life literally, and it's called HFCM. Go to plugins, search for HFCM, header footer code manager, install it, activate it, and then you can find it on the left, right, and on the left side, HFCM. Click on that and just take a look here. I have 10 pixels easily installed. And how we can do that? So go to add new. I'm gonna do the same thing, but with this method, not the traditional method, because in here you can do it to like tens of thousands of times. So snippet name, you can go for Facebook video test, and then site display is very important because you got to actually specify that where you want this pixel to get installed exactly. You go to site display. Site wide is on every single page of your website. A specific post, specific pages, specific categories, specific post types, and specific tags, latest post, and shortcode only. So this is very, very, very powerful, and it's not gonna mess around with your website. So it means that you can easily install it, and you're good to go. But site-wide is what we want, because it's said that you need to install this code on every single page of your website. And that's why I choose site-wide. I'm not going to exclude any page. I'm not going to exclude any post. Location should be header, device display, all devices, and a status active. And then I paste this code here and save. Boom. Done. It's already saved. And what I'm gonna do right now is just sending test traffic to my website to make sure that this pixel code is already activated. So send test traffic, and then we wait for that. So no activity yet, and then it just takes a couple of seconds. Doesn't, because it's just want to recognize that post like active. Done. It's good to go, already done, and it's not messed up with your appearance theme editor, because that section is super risky. If you just delete a single word by mistake, it will, most likely to mess up with your website, and it will happen, and you cannot recover your website. It's very risky, and you can't do that like 10 times because you don't have much space in between the heads to paste your codes there. And that's why this method is super clean. You can add as many pixel codes as you want, and with no headache. So after installing that, after you start this active sign here, click on continue, and then here we go for event setup, which is recommended. And then here you just enter your specific page URL. You can track your code, you can track your links, you can track the page view, and then this is what you can do. So but in this section, I'm gonna show you one example. I'm gonna go to one of my posts here, and then, like, for example, this one, I'm gonna go to this, copy link address, and then here I'm gonna paste it. So Thrive Comments Review, open website. I'm gonna show you that how we can set up an events tool, so it'll be easier to track everything, to track the traffic. So after inserting your URL here, you gotta go to this button here, and then a small box will pop up on the left side. So this is what I want to track. This page is what I want to track the traffic to. So after that, I have two options: track new button or track a URL. This is the first thing I want to do, track a URL. And then here I can specify, I can determine what I want to track exactly. So select an event. It can be add to cart, so it's not a Shopify store. It can be initiate checkout. It can be lead, purchase, add payment info, add to wish list, complete registration, contact, customize product, donate, find location, schedule, search, start trial, submit application, subscribe, and view content. So what I need on my page right now is view content. So I want to track how many visitors, how many people have already visited my blog post, this specific blog post, and that's why this URL should be equal to your blog post URL, and then view content, confirm, done. This is already done, and I'm tracking my view content. So after that, if I want to run a paid ad on Facebook and sending people to this specific blog post, I can track every single one of them, and after that I can use that pixel, because that pixel has already collected people's information, and then I can use it for retargeting ads. So retargeting ads is going to be much cheaper for me and also much more efficient, because that lead, that visitor is going to be warmer than they used to be before. So because if you want to run a paid ad and if you want to drive traffic to a specific blog post or a specific page, that traffic is called cold traffic. People don't know you, people don't know what you are offering, they don't know anything about you, and that's why you need to run the cold. You need to actually deal with that cold audience for like a couple of days, and then you start doing your retargeting ads to put your ads in front of them even more. Obviously different ads, it should be retargeting ads. So but soon I'm gonna get into the details to show you how we can do that profitably. So I'm gonna make another video just for Facebook ads to show you how we can do that in the best way for retargeting ads and also the cold ads. So view content here, and you can also track new button. So it's very cool too. So you can also track this button here. If they click on that, it'll be tracked. It's very cool, guys. And what I can do, for example, I can click on this button here, and then I can select an event. So if someone clicks on this button here, so wait a second, track new button. Yeah, if someone clicks on this button, I can tag them, I can put a tag as a new lead, and then I can confirm it. Super cool, guys. It means that if someone clicks on the link, so imagine it was an opt-in form. I don't have any opt-in form in this page, that's why I couldn't actually do that properly. What you can do, you can actually specify this link here, and then you can tag them as lead, and then you confirm it. So you have two things to track on this page. The first thing is view content, is content view, I think, that you can track the visitors who that visit your blog post. And the second thing is lead. So we assume that we already have an opt-in form here, and then we can track that a specific link and a specific button that if someone clicks on that, they will be added to our autoresponder, and that's how we can track them. And it can be also used as lead. So I use it as a lead. If you have a button, if you have an e-commerce store and you want to track purchase, you can also track purchase, initiate purchase. You can add value to that. So it means that in your report for your Facebook ads, it gives you the value. You specify the value like $10, $20, $30, and then based on that, it gives you the revenue. Super cool, guys. I personally love it. So how easy was it? How easy is it to actually install a base code on your website with no headache, no hassle? Super easy, just by using a simple plugin which is called HFCM. No headache anymore. You can just install tens of thousands of pixels by just going to this, add new, put a name, paste your code, done. You're good to go. Super easy, super fast. It's much better than traditional method, because I could never actually do that properly before coming across with this plugin here. So that's it, guys. Super easy. I hope that you enjoyed. We already tracking everything here. I don't know why, because this one is lagging, because there's no opt-in form here. It's trying to recognize the lead, but it's not happening. If you have an opt-in form here, you can also do that too. So I'm gonna show you how we can add an opt-in form by using Thrive themes for the next tutorials, but you can get access to Thrive themes by clicking on the link below in the description. I'll also put a card above this video to show you what Thrive Themes is and how we can build a fully optimized website by using Thrive Themes. So that's it guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Next time if I upload a video, you'll get notified. And about the workshop guys, everything is already covered in details inside my course. But before that, watch the workshop by clicking on the link below in the description and let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching this video guys. Thanks for taking your time and see you in the next video.